Hello. Good morning. I'm John from Water Furnace. I'm here to introduce you to the latest in ground source heating and cooling technology.
Technology?
You see, with a water furnace system, you can still enjoy the same climate, but in a new home.
New home?
That's right. And best of all, it's going to keep you comfortable year-round.
Ooh.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you follow me back to the Water Furnace Center, where I can explain the system to you in more detail. Walk this way. Sir, excuse me. Could you please have a seat and take a look at this? The water furnace system supplies total heating, total cooling, and domestic hot water. The water furnace system is 300% efficient. Now what that means is that it produces 3 times more energy than it uses. Now in terms that I think you'll understand, for every dollar that you spend on electricity, you receive back $1, $2, $3 worth of heat.
Ooh.
The system will lower your heating and cooling bills dramatically. Let's take a look at some examples in this video presentation.
Bundle up the kitties this morning, Mom. Get out the mittens and the long underwear, because we're going to have strong winds and below zero temperatures. Our forecast calls for continued hot and muggy conditions for the rest of this week with no relief in sight. In our elusive quest for comfort, man has struggled to find some unique ways to create an artificial climate in which to live. Some of these methods were awkward, noisy, dangerous, and some have become downright expensive to operate. Some have created much work for the homeowner, and others polluted the atmosphere. A heating and cooling system is a major component of any structure, and the purchase of one should not be considered lightly. Air temperatures, humidity, and air velocities must all be taken into consideration. Since comfort has been described as the absence of discomfort, we should look for a system that leaves us feeling neither too hot nor too cold. Just comfortable. Ideally, this equipment should use a renewable energy source, such as the earth, making it the least expensive system to operate. The product should also provide heat for typical home accessories such as domestic hot water heaters, pools, and spas. Everything should be contained indoors, so no unsightly equipment spoils the architecture or the surrounding landscape. You and your neighbors will enjoy peace and quiet without the noise of outdoor condensing units. The water furnace system is the ideal solution, and many homes and businesses are being fitted with this environmental control package. It heats, cools, and even supplies domestic hot water in a single compact unit. Most of all, it's comfortable. By working in harmony with the earth, the water furnace system simply moves heat from one location to another, heating or cooling your home as desired. No combustion takes place, and no pollutants are emitted into the atmosphere, making it environmentally safe. No flame, no flue, no fuss. Each day we receive more heat energy from the sun than we can ever hope to use. The earth absorbs and stores this energy and remains relatively constant in temperature throughout the year. In winter, it's much warmer than the outside air, and in summer, it's much cooler. Since heat energy always moves from hot to cold, heat can be transferred from the earth to your home and back again very effectively. As a property owner, you can take advantage of this remarkable system. You might say you own an energy lot. One way to extract this energy is by using a closed-loop system. Lengths of 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch thermoplastic pipe are placed underground and connected to the water furnace unit inside the home. Loops are assembled on location using heat fusion to join the pipes where necessary. Once installed, the tubing is filled with water and sealed. In northern climates, a special antifreeze is added for low temperature operation. The liquid is then circulated by low wattage pumps. On large properties, earth loops can be installed horizontally 4 to 6 feet deep with a backhoe or chain trencher. On smaller lots, drilling equipment is used to bore small diameter holes 50 to 200 feet deep. 2 pipes, joined with a U-bend, are then inserted vertically into each hole. The pipes are then pressure tested and backfilled. Depth is of secondary importance, since one deep loop performs the same as several shallow ones. Loops can also be submerged into lakes, ponds, or streams to utilize the vast amounts of energy contained in these bodies of water. In winter, the liquid circulating through these underground pipes absorbs heat from the earth and carries it to the water furnace unit. This heat is then extracted and compressed to a higher temperature. Warm air is then distributed through conventional ductwork. In summer, the unit extracts heat from the air inside your home and transfers it back to the circulating liquid in the ground loop. It is then dissipated into the cooler earth, air conditioning your home in the process. In many locations, well water can be pumped directly to the unit, replacing the underground loop system, thereby allowing a simpler installation. Direct groundwater applications are another alternative to the closed loop and offer excellent performance. Computers play an important role when designing a ground source system. These third-wave tools simulate equipment and duplicate climatic conditions in any given area. Relevant data such as the structure heat loss, heat gain, degree heating days, and desired comfort levels are fed into powerful programs. The printout then specifies the proper unit size and also designs the earth loop quickly and accurately. Next, an energy analysis compares operating and installation costs of the water furnace system against alternative heating and cooling units. The analysis usually shows a first-year positive cash flow for the owner. By simulating our varied and sometimes harsh North American climate on the computer, Water Furnace allows the customer to test drive a system before he actually purchases one. The company supports a professional dealer network throughout the country. The Water Furnace training centers offer educational workshops in all phases of earth energy, linking technology to the industry. Customer satisfaction depends upon results from the initial design to system completion. The Water Furnace team will maximize the return on your investment while providing the comfort you expect. The range of applications for the Water Furnace system are endless. They can be installed in almost any structure, old homes or new, large or small, in a nursing home, a clubhouse or a courthouse, from fast food to elegant dining, research farms or greenhouse farms, worship centers and educational centers, new structures or retail outlets, shopping malls, commercial buildings, and even ships at sea. Factory craftsmen incorporate time-honored workmanship with computer precision into each hand-built unit. Attention is given to every detail, And all products carry an exclusive quality assurance seal of approval, personally signed by the final assembly and quality test technicians. The beauty of each cabinet hides a multitude of engineering features. These features have set new industry standards and ensure that once installed, the water furnace system is beauty that works. The company produces a complete line of equipment in sizes ranging from 3/4 ton to 10-ton capacity. Water to air, water to water, and add-on split units are available for earth-coupled, groundwater, or boiler cooling tower applications. By choosing a vertical or a horizontal model, these units can be installed almost anywhere, utilizing wasted space. Extended range units are designed to operate at maximum efficiency in extremely warm or cold climates. The Triple Function series provides total heating, total cooling, and hot water on demand. The high-quality factory-run tested equipment comes with a comprehensive warranty package to assure confidence after the sale. With a total system concept and a broad range of products, Water Furnace has become the leading name in the industry. Our innovative manufacturing, training, and marketing has moved ground source heating and cooling technology from out of the dark ages into the 21st century.
Hello? Hello? Hi. Remember me? I'm John. I just dropped by today to see how you're enjoying your new home and the comforts of your new water furnace system.